Welcome back to Scaro, where we bring you comprehensive breakdowns of the vehicles shaping the future of driving. Today we're setting our sights on an icon that consistently defines its class, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This isn't just an update, it's a comprehensive reimagining of the executive sedan, setting a formidable new standard by seamlessly integrating avant-garde design, a suite of the most advanced technology on the market, and a surprisingly spirited performance character, all wrapped in an aura of impeccable refinement. The latest E-Class presents a beautifully evolved silhouette that commands attention, marked by streamlined LED headlights and taillights with intricate light signatures and aerodynamic curves that seem to have been shaped by the wind itself. This design language is a clear reflection of Mercedes-Benz's ongoing dual commitment to timeless sophistication and bold forward-looking innovation, proving that elegance and efficiency can coexist in perfect harmony. The 2026 E-Class caters to a wide spectrum of drivers with its versatile range of powertrain options. The lineup begins with a responsive and efficient 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, perfect for those who prioritize daily efficiency without sacrificing a premium feel. Stepping up, the heart of the range is the sophisticated 3.0-liter inline-6, now bolstered by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup not only adds a welcome layer of smooth, electric-assisted power, but also enhances fuel efficiency and enables features like a near-instantaneous start-stop system. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance within the standard E-Class family, the E454 Matic model stands ready. This variant harnesses the full potential of the mild hybrid inline-6 to deliver an impressive estimated 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This translates into exhilarating performance, with Mercedes claiming a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 4.6 seconds, a figure that comfortably positions the E-Class in a league with dedicated sports sedans. All this power is managed with unflappable poise by Mercedes' sophisticated 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which actively distributes torque between the axles for optimal grip in any condition, and a refined 9-speed automatic transmission that executes shifts with a seamless, almost imperceptible smoothness, ensuring confidence and unshakable stability whether you're navigating a rain-slicked highway or a twisting back road. Stepping inside the 2026 E-Class is where the concept of modern luxury is truly redefined. Opulence and a deeply considered human-centric design dominate the cabin experience. The undeniable centerpiece is the latest generation of the Mercedes-Benz User Experience, or MBUX, featuring the breathtaking hyperscreen. This monumental panel is a single, sweeping piece of glass that spans the entire width of the dashboard, housing multiple high-resolution OLED displays that flow seamlessly into one another. It presents the digital instrument cluster for the driver, the central infotainment screen, and even a dedicated display for the front passenger, all in one stunning, cohesive unit. This technological marvel is framed by an environment of tactile luxury, featuring premium leather upholstery with exquisite stitching, authentic open-pore wood trim that warms the interior, and an advanced ambient lighting system with hundreds of colors that can be personalized to create everything from a calm, relaxing atmosphere to a vibrant, energetic glow. The sensory experience is further elevated by the available Burmester-registered trademark 4D surround sound system, which doesn't just deliver concert hall quality audio from its many speakers, but also incorporates resonators in the seats to let you feel the music, complemented by advanced noise-insulating materials throughout the cabin that ensure an almost library-quiet, supremely tranquil journey, regardless of the chaos outside. Drivers with an appreciation for cutting-edge tech will find the E-Class to be a veritable playground. The vehicle offers robust Level 2 semi-autonomous driving capabilities, allowing for hands-off steering, acceleration, and braking on compatible highways, which can dramatically reduce driver fatigue on long commutes. The augmented reality navigation system is a game-changer, projecting vibrant directional arrows and turn indicators directly onto a live video feed of the road ahead in the instrument cluster, making it virtually impossible to miss a turn. Connectivity is effortless with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and Mercedes has loaded the E-Class with its latest Driver Assistance Plus package. This comprehensive suite includes intelligent features like adaptive cruise control that can automatically adjust speed for curves and roundabouts, active lane centering that gently guides the car within its lane, and proactive automatic emergency braking with cross-traffic detection, all working in concert to create a protective cocoon around the vehicle and its occupants. Remarkably, the 2026 E-Class achieves this impressive performance and luxury without neglecting efficiency. The standard 48-volt mild hybrid system is key here, recuperating energy during braking and coasting to provide an electrical boost during acceleration, which not only smooths out power delivery, but also contributes to tangible fuel savings. For those ready to embrace even greater electrification, Mercedes offers a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV variant. This model pairs a combustion engine with a more powerful electric motor and a larger battery pack, enabling an estimated all-electric driving range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, enough to cover most daily commutes entirely on silent, zero-emission electric power, with the combustion engine available as a powerful backup for longer journeys. Naturally, such a complete package commands a premium. Pricing for the expansive 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class lineup is expected to start at approximately $62,000 for the well-appointed E350 model, which already includes a staggering amount of standard luxury and technology. Moving up to the E454 Matic, the starting figure climbs to around $74,000. It's important to note that these are base prices, and the final cost can increase significantly with the vast selection of optional packages, from the exclusive executive rear seat package that transforms the back into a first-class lounge, to the AMG line package that adds a more athletic aesthetic, and the myriad of bespoke manufacturer personalization options for paint, leather, and trim. When you consider the unparalleled level of craftsmanship, the sheer depth of innovative technology, and the sophisticated engineering that delivers both serene comfort and engaging dynamics, the E-Class presents a compelling and justifiable value proposition. It stands as one of the most complete, well-rounded, and desirable sedans in the entire luxury executive segment, offering something genuinely meaningful for every type of discerning driver. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is far more than just another model year update. It is a profound statement and a definitive benchmark. It exemplifies Mercedes-Benz's core philosophy of sensual purity in design and its relentless pursuit of intelligent innovation. This vehicle successfully transcends the traditional role of an automobile. It becomes a mobile sanctuary, a connected command center, and an engaging driver's car, all in one meticulously crafted package. It embodies a contemporary holistic standard of luxury that has been engineered from the ground up for individuals who demand and deserve a perfect, seamless unity between sublime comfort, the absolute forefront of digital and safety technology, and a driving experience that remains dynamically rewarding and emotionally resonant. The E-Class doesn't just meet expectations, it elegantly surpasses them, redefining what we should expect from a luxury sedan in the modern age.